Hey guys, guess what I'm doing here? I'm coming to the factory to check the hair for the customers because now in December here now, and after 2 months it will be our Chinese New Year. Our Chinese New Year will come in February. We come in February. So after 2 months all the Chinese worker will be on holiday. So my customers ask me to check the hair. For them, they are ordering a bulk quantity hair in advance. So I'm coming here. It's getting a little bit cold. It's getting a little bit cold here now. I will show you how the workers are working here. So in this video, you can see the workers in the factory. So just follow me. Remember, after 2 months will be our Chinese Spring Festival. So if you want to order the hair, be quick. Otherwise, when we're on holiday, you can buy any hair. Just come, follow me. It's behind me. Okay, let's go to see how the workers are working there.